A block with an initial speed of 10 meters per second slides on a horizontal surface and comes to a rest after traveling a distance of 25 meters. What is the coefficient of kinetic friction between the block and the surface? Take G equals to 9.8 meters per second. So first of all, what you need to do here is write solution first. Now the questions is asking us to find the coefficient of kinetic friction. So first of all, we have to call to mind the coefficient of kinetic friction. Kinetic friction is equals to the force all over the normal reaction, the force of the object all over the normal reaction. But if you look at the question, let's look at the parameters from the question. Given that the speed, which is u, is equals to 10 meters per second, and then the distance, let's use s as a distance, which is 25 meters. So none of this is given in the question, so we have to look for how we can get this and this. So first of all, since we are talking about speed and distance here, a block with an initial speed of 10 meters sliding down on a horizontal surface and coming to a rest after traveling a distance of 25. So we are talking about distance, speed and velocity and distance traveled. So we look at the equations of motion since motion is involved. So if you look at the equations of motion, the first equation of motion talks about v equals to u plus at. The other one talks about s equals to ut plus half at squared. The other one talks about v squared equals to u squared plus 2as. So if you look at these 1, 2, 3 equations, the only equation here that the parameters can be found here is the last equation. You can see u here, you can see s here, right? So but there's no v because here the v here is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity. So the final velocity is 0 because they say that this block comes to a rest. The block with an initial distance slides on the horizontal surface and comes to a rest. So the final velocity is 0 because the block came to a rest. So v equals to 0, which equals to u here is 10. So we put 10 squared plus 2. Then there is no a given, but there is an s given, s which is 25. So definitely we are looking for this a now. So 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is equals to 100, plus 25 times 2. Here will be 50. So you have 50a. So because we have 0 equal to this, so we'll take 50a to the other side of the equation, will become negative 50a, which is equals to 100. Divide both sides by minus 50 to get our a. So this will go, this will go. A will now be equal to 0 cancel 0, 2 here 5 times. So we have minus 2 here, sorry, 5 into 10, 2 times. We have minus 2. Acceleration is minus 2 meters per second square. So you can see that it's negative acceleration because negative acceleration is retardation or deceleration. So now we have gotten our acceleration. So we'll go back to the initial question, initial formula of kinetic friction. Kinetic friction, say F is over normal reaction. Normal reaction is the weight of the body. So F is the force, but you know that force is equal to mass times acceleration. Normal reaction is the weight of the body. The formula for weight of the body is the mass times acceleration due to gravity. So here there is mass up, there is mass down, so you cancel it out. So what you'll be having left is a over g. So now you simply we have gotten a to be minus 2 divided by g is acceleration due to gravity, which is given in the question as 9.8. It's always a constant. Acceleration due to gravity is a constant. So when you divide minus 2 over 9.8, you will get an answer. Now divide it and let me know the answer you have.